Finance Minister Penny Wong has confirmed to Sky News this morning the government is facing a revenue shortfall of $17 billion for the current financial year.
Senator Wong has also announced the government will not go ahead with a promised increase in family tax benefits, saving close to $2 billion. So for the details, let's go live to Canberra now to our chief political reporter, Kieran Gilbert. Hi again, Kieran.
Nina, good morning. Good morning, Michael. Let's, well, first of all, look at the budget bottom line. The Finance Minister confirming the reports in the Financial Review this morning. She's told us that it's correct that this financial year revenue is down $17 billion. Let's play you a little bit of what she had to say on that.
What I can confirm is that the impact in the current financial year between last year's budget and this year's budget looks to be in the order of $17 billion. So that is a very substantial write-down of $17 billion.
That was the Minister this morning on Sky News. And then, as a result of that write-down and, well, the other reports suggesting that it would be $20 billion in the next financial year, potentially up to $80 billion by 2016. The Minister didn't confirm those numbers, but she did announced that the government is not going to go ahead with the increase to family tax benefit Part A. That will save $1.8 billion. It was meant to be part of the mining tax package as part of the sharing the benefits of the boom plan, but with the write-down and with the mining tax not bringing in as much as they had projected, that increase in the family tax benefit Part A is not going ahead. Let's hear from Penny Wong on that, and then the Minister for Trade and Tertiary Education, Craig Emerson.
I can confirm to you that we are not in a position to proceed with the boost to the family tax benefits as a result of the revenue challenge the government is facing and the nation is facing. So this is a difficult decision, but a responsible decision given what's happened to revenue. I do want to emphasise this is not money that is currently being received by families. Families will continue to receive the benefits they currently receive in the family tax area, but this is about not proceeding with the additional boost the government had previously considered.
The mining tax is a profits-related tax. We've been through this many times. When profits are high, it's capable of collecting a good share of that revenue. When profits are low, we need to adjust, and we are adjusting. That's the responsible thing to do.
Now, on to the debate about the Tony Abbott paid parental leave proposal, that generous paid parental leave scheme. We know that Alex Hawke, the Liberal backbench, has been very critical. There have been others who have supported Alex Hawke in asking for more clarity on this proposal at least. Mal Washer and Dennis Jensen, both Liberals from Western Australia. From the business community, the chairman of NAB and Woodside, Michael Chaney, among others. And then this morning I spoke to Alex Hawke and I asked him about some criticism within Liberal ranks, some senior Liberals who had been trying to get Tony Abbott to rethink this policy, now believe that Alex Hawke's intervention has scuttled any chance, that it's actually hardened Tony Abbott's position on this, that he is not going to budge on what he describes as a signature policy. I put that to Alex Hawke this morning.
I fully respect his ability to listen on these important economic issues. In fact, I was very impressed with his command of all of the policy detail in this regard, both the social benefits of a paid parental leave scheme and the economic benefits and the need for a fundamental economic reform in this regard. So I've had a positive experience. I think in raising this issue in the last 24 hours, I found that colleagues, I think, do want to have a discussion about this in the party room in future weeks.
So he's obviously not given up hope of having Mr Abbott change heart. But Michael and Nina, others certainly have resigned to the fact that this is policy and will remain so.